Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful bow and also a keychain hook on top. Very easy to make, so let's get started and make it with me. For this tutorial here I am using blue color of yarn. This is double knit yarn, you see clearly. And also here I am using a scissors, 4mm of crochet hook and also a keychain hook. So let's get started and just make it with me. First hold yarn like in fingers. I will show you clearly how to hold it like this. Next we're gonna make slip knot. Insert your hook, wrap yarn around your finger, hold it with your thumb. Now yarn over and pull it through the loop. Here we have first loop. Next we're gonna make chain on this loop. Insert your hook into the loop, yarn over the loop and pull it through the loop like this. Yarn over the hook and pull it through the loop. Yarn over, pull it through the loop. Here we have chain, repeat same pattern. Yarn over, pull it through the loop. Yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it, repeat same pattern, make chain, yarn over, pull it, 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 yarn over, pull it through the loop until you complete the total of 64 chains. Here my 64 chains complete. Now skip first 2 chain and insert your hook into the third chain and make half double crochet stitch. Skip first 2 chain, yarn over the hook, insert a hook into the third chain, pull the yarn. Here we have 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull it into 3 loop. Repeat same pattern, yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop. Yarn over, insert a hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop. This is the half double crochet stitch. Repeat same pattern, make total of 6 half double crochet first. Just yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop. Yarn over, insert a hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop. Here my 6 half double crochet stitch is complete. Next we're gonna make 6 slip stitch. Insert your hook into the next chain and just pull the yarn twice. This is the slip stitch. Make 5 more. Insert your hook, pull yarn twice. Insert your hook, pull yarn twice. Make 1 stitch in 1 chain below. Insert your hook and pull yarn twice. Make 1 more into the last and just complete the total of 6 slip stitch after 6 half double crochet stitch. Here my 6 slip stitch complete. Next we're gonna make half double crochet again and in next 16 chains. Repeat same pattern, make 16 half double crochet in next 16 chains. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop. Pull it into 3 loop, yarn over, repeat same pattern, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop until you complete the total of 16 half double crochet stitches. Don't forget any part of the video for making any mistake. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comment. Repeat same pattern, complete the total of 16 half double crochet stitches. Here my 16 half double crochet stitches complete after 6 slip stitch. Now repeat same pattern, make 6 slip stitch into next 6 chain. Insert your hook, pull yarn twice. Insert your hook, pull yarn twice. Insert your hook, pull yarn twice. Make 3 more. Insert your hook, pull yarn twice. Insert your hook, pull yarn twice. Insert your hook and pull yarn twice. My 6 slip stitch complete after 16 double crochet stitches. Now repeat same pattern of half double crochet and make 16 more in next 16 chains. Here my 16 half double crochet stitches complete. Now make slip stitch again 6. Make 6 slip stitch after 16 double crochet stitches. 3, 4, 5 and make last one 6. For making slip stitch, just insert your hook and pull yarn twice. Next we're gonna make 6 half double crochet in the last. Just make half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop. Repeat same pattern, make total of half double crochet stitch in last 6 chains, 5, and make last one like this. Pull yarn into 3 loop. Here my last 6 half double crochet stitches complete. You see clearly this is the first row. Now for the next row we're gonna make 2 chain, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it. At the beginning of new row we're gonna make total of 2 chain on top, and after completing 2 chain just turn your work like this. Now in second row we're gonna make stitches onto the back loop. Now here you see clearly we have 2 loops on top, and we're gonna make stitches only into the back loop like so. Here insert your hook into the loop and repeat same pattern. First we're gonna make total of 6 half double crochet only in back loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the back loop, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the back loop, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop. Make 4 more double crochet into the back loop, half double crochet stitches, just yarn over the hook, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop. Make 1 more. Here my 6 half double crochet stitches complete. Next we're gonna make 6 slip stitch, but remember only in back loop. Repeat the same pattern on top of slip stitch. Just insert your hook into the back loop and pull yarn twice. Insert your hook, pull yarn twice, insert your hook and pull yarn twice, insert your hook, pull yarn twice, insert your hook, pull yarn twice, insert your hook into the last, pull yarn twice. Here my 6 slip stitch complete. Next we're gonna repeat the same pattern of 16 half double crochet, but still remember only in back loop. Just yarn over, insert your hook into the back loop, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop. Repeat same pattern until you complete the total of 16 half double crochet stitches. Here you see clearly the first loop on hook. Now repeat same pattern. We're gonna make 6 slip stitch, then 16 half double crochet, then again 6 slip stitch, then again 6 half double crochet stitches, and reach into the last and complete the total of second row. Here my second row complete. You see clearly I make stitches, the same stitches on top. Now for the next row we're gonna make again chain 2 and turn your work like this. Again make only in back loop and repeat the same pattern on top according to the below row like this. When we're gonna make 3 chain on top, and here we're gonna make 6 half double crochet first, then 6 slip stitch, then 16 half double crochet, then 6 slip stitch again, then 16 half double crochet, then 6 slip stitch, then 6 half double crochet in the last, and complete the total of 4 rounds and come back with me. Here my 4 rows complete. You see clearly with same pattern on top, 1 2 3 and 4. Now in the last I'm going to make chain 1, pull the yarn over and just cut it with your scissors. After cutting the yarn, pull the leftover yarn tightly and secure your work in the last. Next I'm going to hide my leftover yarn inside the stitches. For hiding the yarn, just insert your hook into the stitches like this and pull the leftover yarn inside the stitches. I will show you clearly in this video. Don't forget any part of the video for making any mistake. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comments. So this step is for making your work neat and clean. Make sure you will hide all the leftover yarn after completing your work. So next I am going to cut extra yarn with it for wrapping it into the center like this. Next I am showing you how to make a shape of a bow. So make sure you will assemble a side with each other and center point into the center. You see clearly how I make this. Next we wrap yarn into the center. So hold it into the edge and wrap it tightly around it. Wrap it tightly around the bow into the center. So make sure you wrap it tightly. I will show you clearly how to wrap it. Now in the last we will make a knot with each other. For secure your work in the last, make 2 times in the end, make 1 more time, like this. After making a knot, cut the leftover yarn with your scissors. Just cut it in the last, and here we have leftover yarn on top. Repeat the same pattern and hide the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Just insert your hook and pull the leftover yarn inside the stitches. So this is the complete and the final look of bow pattern. You see clearly how look it is. Very easy to make and beginner friendly tutorial. So in the last we will attach a keychain hook on the top of bow. So let's get started and join them together and come back. This is the complete and the final look of crochet bow. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe my YouTube channel for more crochet ideas. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.